Imagine you are supposed to carrying some goods from one place to another in a container. What type of container will you prefer? We would firstly think whether it's light or heavy, because carrying it should be convenient. Also, being light should make sure that it's durable. And what if we notice that the container reactive with the matter inside? That would ruin all hard work of carrying it. So you also need to be sure that it's not made up of reactive material. However, we are supposed to find all these quality in a single container. What material can you think of when you hear strong and durable? Yes, what comes to our mind is a metal container. That would be ideally strong. But wait a second. Metals have a tendency to corrode or rust easily. So what should be used then? Guess what? We have plastic that comes to our rescue. Yes, you heard me right. Plastic is most of the qualities that makes a choice of making several articles. And what are these properties? Amongst all, we take three most important properties that make it a material of choice. Non-reactive nature, poor conduction of heat and electricity, and lastly, strength and durability. Can you tell me an example of articles where each of these properties are used? Let me help you with that. Let's begin with the non-reactive nature first. We know that metal usually get corroded or rusted easily. What does it mean? It means that in presence of air and moisture, metals have a tendency to get physically degraded to form oxide. But plastic do not show a tendency like this. In fact, plastic do not react with air, moisture or even with the chemicals for that matter. As a result, no rust is formed. Hence, they can be widely used to store various types of liquid and chemicals. And where can this property be applied? Yes, airtight containers can be made to store food or liquid items. Does this property help us to protect another important application of plastic? Yes, in the medical field. Because they do not react easily with chemicals and are non-corrosive in nature. What bottles, sachets and strips of tablets are used in medicines. Along with this, even the syringes are made up of plastic. And what about the gloves used by doctors? Yes, plastic exists there as well. Anything else that we should know? The non-reactive property of the plastic is so reliable and it is used even to make the threads that are stitch the wounds. The threads used to stitch the wounds, they are made up of plastic because it's safe on wounds. This was a summary of non-reactive property of the plastic. Do you remember the next property? Yes, it was the conduction